Well, here we are in beautiful Northwest Arkansas Airport. We will be here for the next 9 hours. My traveling companion, Lori.
That's an honor.
I know. So here's some footage back at the hotel in Rogers, Arkansas. Incredible scene here with over 22 inches of snow having fallen. Here's the parking lot at the Embassy Suites. Here's an abandoned car mid-aisle. We just made it back in a Escalade SUV 4-wheel drive, and we got stuck and had to be towed out by another truck. So we're here for what could be a long duration. Take a look at these cars that are almost disappeared here. Here's a wide-angle shot of the parking lot. I left here this morning at 4 a.m. and drove a Chevy Cruze front-wheel drive car to the airport. Made it, and now we're stuck.